Stop learning n8n. Stop learning automation.
And stop saying not fair.
This kind of message seems to be everywhere you look these days. Now, this isn't anything new. After vibe coding entered the scene, the same thing happened.
Vibe coding is a dead end.
But turns out, whether or not you should stop learning n8n or do vibe coding has nothing to do with n8n or vibe coding itself, because what you use isn't really the main point. What matters most is how you think. In today's video, we'll look at why broad thinking wins over blind using with a vibe coding playbook that you can steal. This is the AI Beat with AI agents A to Z. Make no mistake, n8n is extremely powerful. It's visual automation for people who like seeing data move, and it can ship. But if you find yourself struggling to build a clean workflow from scratch, or that pre-made template turns into a horror show, that's a sign of why how you think is what really matters. What to really learn? When creating an n8n, learn to model the problem, handle edge cases, and make it resilient. When you're using templates, learn to debug errors, repurpose use cases, and make it flexible. Same goes for vibe coding. With tools like Cursor or Copilot, you just tell an AI IDE what to build and let it cook. Vibe coding has exploded in big companies, and for employees who can't get with the new AI vibes, companies will just exit you. But vibes alone can ship bugs and security holes. Multiple studies found a scary rate of vulnerabilities in AI-generated code. Some point to a harsh reality that most AI-generated code is production unready, and companies are desperately hiring specialists to fix it before their technical debt spirals out of control. You may have even seen a new service category quietly emerging for vibe coding cleanup specialists. What started as a LinkedIn joke became a real business opportunity. What does this mean? Build guardrails or get pwned, people. Go ahead and vibe, but don't vibe blindly. Instead, think structure and system every step of the way. Here's a system using SpecKit to make vibe coding more controlled. SpecKit allows you to break down your project into small, manageable pieces and introduce processes into the development flow. It adds the basic governing principles and development guidelines for the project and has 4 stages for the development lifecycle: specify, plan, task, and implement. Let's use it to vibe code a simple Hello World app using Copilot in VS Code. First, we initialize the project. Then, using the LLM, we add the constitution, which contains the main principles for our whole project. We use the specify command to create our first initial feature. This creates a feature branch and a spec file. Then we use the plan command to make the agent do some research and plan the feature. After reviewing the documents and filling out the missing info, we can move to the next stage. Using the task command, we break down our feature into tasks to make it manageable for the coding agent. Once we're satisfied, let's run the implement command to actually create our feature. Here's our Hello World app running with Vite, done with vibe coding and guidance. So, should you learn n8n? Why not? n8n is far from dead. It's evolving, especially as more folks get into the game of visual, editable workflows, so even your grandma can build mini apps. And should you learn vibe coding? Sure. Just do it responsibly. Plan it, spec it, commit often, write tests, and give them rules. Ultimately, your edge isn't using n8n or vibe coding itself. Tools will change. Thinking compounds. Learn to combine the tool with strategy. Whether it's planning or problem diagnosis, critical thinking is key. Because clients don't buy automations, they buy outcomes. Be the person who strategizes with systems and measures outcomes. Bring diagnoses and plans, and let AI do the repetitive parts. How you think about problems and solutions, that's always what will matter most. Have your own take on learning n8n or vibe coding? Comment below to let us know. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more.